Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this trick. Drag your image to the design and resize it. Edit photo. Click on blur all image. Increase the intensity to 50%. Go back. Go to elements and type hand holding picture. Click on photos and choose any image you want. Let's use this one. Resize it. Click edit photo and remove the background. Go back. Drag this image again and resize it and rotate it and fill the black area with the image. That's it. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.